Hrithik Roshan, who received a lot of appreciation for his performance in War and his new cool Avatar, is reportedly in talks for many projects and may even sign a film soon with the Tanhaji director Om Raut. Now, this is in addition to Krish 4 that he's preparing for, and we hear that will go on floors very soon after the lockdown ends. Hrithik, who is in this new interesting phase of his career, wants to experiment, work with new filmmakers, and is also choosing scripts from a wide range of subjects. Looks like Hrithik is going to find himself very busy in the coming days. We have been hearing quite often now that Krish 4 is definitely in the making. And खबरों की मानी जाए तो Hrithik is looking to create a whole new pipeline of interesting scripts for himself. The actor, who is riding a high after two huge hits, Super 30 and War, both which showcased Hrithik in a completely different light. Super 30 saw Hrithik in a completely de-glam Avatar, and while War was a stylish thriller that had lots of heavy-duty action. The actor also received a lot of love and appreciation for the huge personal transformations he's put himself through to bring credibility to these characters. Reports के मुताबिक amongst the many projects Hrithik is in talks for is a film with Tanhaji director Om Raut. 2019 में धूम मचाने के बाद Hrithik is raring to work with new directors and take on high concept scripts. We had also heard that Hrithik may be working in a Yash Raj project as the production house completes 50 years. We had also heard that the actor was in talks with Farah Khan for the remake of Satte Pe Satta, but it seems he is not interested in remakes. While he is currently in lockdown at home with his sons and ex-wife Suzanne, looks like Hrithik is staying super busy reading and choosing from the many scripts he is being sent. और हमें बेसब्री से इंतजार है to hear some formal announcements from the Greek god himself.
ये वक्त अपने परिवार से या अपने दोस्तों से मिलने जुलने का नहीं है, पार्टीज में जाने का नहीं है. प्लीज मेरी बात सुनिए. अगर आपको एक दूसरे से कांटेक्ट में रहना है तो आप फोन का या वीडियो कॉल्स का इस्तेमाल आप कर सकते हैं, तो कीजिए. ये वक्त बहुत नाजुक है दोस्तों. अगर ये वक्त हमारे हाथों से निकल गया तो न जाने क्या हो जाएगा. सो प्लीज़ जो मैं कह रहा हूँ उसे ध्यान से सुनिए. आइए थोड़ा जिम्मेदार बनते हैं, इस वायरस से लड़ते हैं. हम सब एक साथ हैं इसमें, एक दूसरे का ख्याल रखते हैं. ऑल द बेस्ट. My love to you all.